4-4, we've got this mail if unless the other job's urgent.
Yeah, go ahead in 4-4.
So he's in a field on the far side of the road to where the unit was. The grid reference is going to be Sierra Sierra 335182 so far. I'll try and convert it to a what through words, but from where the unit saw him in the field, if they were to go to the other side of the road, he's 2 fields across from the lane, if that makes sense to them.
Yeah, 3-2, heading in touch with that.
I think where the second unit came down and parked their vehicle, there's a little track. Second, he's actually being chased by some cows at the moment. In fact, unit on the track waving at me. Yeah, if you walk up that track, I'll tell you when you're near him.
Thank you, 37.
Thank you, Empress.
Thank the cows.